5 reasons women store belly fat. Why do women tend to store fat around their belly? It's a common issue many women face, and it can affect both appearance and health. Today, I'll share with you the 5 main reasons why women tend to accumulate belly fat and how to tackle it effectively. Hormonal changes. As women age, especially during menopause, hormonal changes, particularly a drop in estrogen, cause fat to be redistributed in the body, often accumulating around the belly. This is why many women notice an increase in belly fat during and after menopause, even if their diet or exercise routine hasn't changed. Stress and cortisol. Stress is another major factor. When you're stressed, your body produces a hormone called cortisol. This hormone encourages fat storage, particularly around the belly. If stress is constant, cortisol levels remain high, leading to increased belly fat. So, managing stress is key in reducing belly fat. Insulin resistance. Insulin resistance is common, especially in those who lead a sedentary lifestyle or have an unhealthy diet. When the body becomes resistant to insulin, it starts storing fat, particularly around the belly. Insulin resistance is also a precursor to type 2 diabetes, and it's more common in older women. Unhealthy lifestyle. A diet high in sugar, refined carbs, and processed foods is another major factor in belly fat accumulation. These foods spike blood sugar, leading to increased insulin production and fat storage. Also, a lack of physical activity makes it harder for your body to burn fat effectively. Poor sleep habits. Poor sleep, including not getting enough rest or having irregular sleep patterns, can disrupt hormones that control hunger and fullness. This can lead to overeating and, ultimately, weight gain, especially around the belly. Lack of sleep also increases cortisol, slowing fat burning, especially in the abdominal area. How to reduce belly fat. So, how can we tackle belly fat? First, start with a healthy diet. Plenty of vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains. Reducing sugar, refined carbs, and processed foods is essential in preventing weight gain. Second, exercise regularly. Cardio exercises like walking, running, and cycling help burn calories, while strength training builds muscle and boosts metabolism. Ab exercises can also help tighten the muscles in the midsection. Managing stress is crucial. Techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises can help reduce stress and positively impact your body. Finally, get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Creating a regular sleep routine and winding down before bed can help improve sleep and, in turn, help manage your weight. By making small changes to your diet, exercise, and stress management, you can start reducing belly fat and improving your overall health. Start today and stay consistent with your goals. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to like and subscribe to support us in making more videos.